Hey there, John Hooks here. Welcome to my review of AI puzzles. I am here at the demo video. We're going to come back and go through this in just a few minutes. But first, I need to get you over to my bonus page. So beneath this video on YouTube, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and AI puzzles here. Click that link and you will then be taken to the page that looks like this. All right, so AI Puzzles, the world's first ChatGPT4 powered cloud-based platform that generates unique puzzles, riddles, mazes, maze books, and more, along with a million extra done-for-you puzzles with full private label rights. Okay, a little bit more about it here. All right, and so with AI Puzzle, this is what you get. Professional and fully cloud-based platform, ChatGPT4 powered keyword to puzzle generator platform, ChatGPT4 powered puzzle, riddle, and maze book creator platform, hundreds of pre-made puzzles and mazes with PLR rights licenses, 60-second puzzle and maze creation, inbuilt cover creator feature, hundreds of done-for-you templates to choose from, millions of other pre-made puzzles like Cipher, word scramble, riddle, etc. Multiple niche pre-made puzzles and mazes, set unlimited puzzles and other books on Amazon KDP. Commercial license included, no limitations, completely free. Sell unlimited puzzles and mazes and earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required. Unlimited one-click download, step-by-step training, and much more. All right, so AI Puzzles, the only, riddle and maze book creator app you'll ever need. So you can get started in just 3 steps here. Step number 1, log on and select from millions of ready-to-use puzzles and mazes, or just enter a keyword and create a new one yourself. Step number 2, GPT-4 technology will create unique, high-quality puzzle, mazes, and riddles in just 60 seconds. And step number 3, preview or download in one click, create unlimited puzzles and mazes, use it for selling yourself on Amazon KDP, or sell to your own clients and keep the profits. Now, we're going to talk about the price here, but first, let's go back and take a look at the demo so you can see what it does. All right, there you go. And so it was a little quick, but it showed you the power and the massive amount of opportunity that you have there. So let's talk about what this is going to cost you today. So AI Puzzle is $17 on the front end, and there are a number of one-time offers or upsells. Now, everything that we talked about up here, is the front end, and so that's why I don't have all the details listed beneath it. Then we have the upsell. So we have the AI Puzzles Unlimited. The main thing here is that there's no watermarks on the puzzles that you create. And so it has extra puzzles and mazes and extra templates, and you can remove any restrictions that there might be. Then you have OTO number 2, up to $47 is the Done For You Platinum. Professional, fully cloud-based, friendly 3D animated flipbook creator software is included on this. Never seen before. Image to flipbook, PDF to flipbook, text to flipbook, 100 plus high quality, ready to use template, 60-second flipbook creation. And so basically, the Done For You mostly is dealing with flipbook creation, and it does some pretty nice stuff. AI Puzzles Diamond is OTO number 3 for $47 also. Create your own professional branded Fiverr-like marketplace, custom domain integration, sell without competition, authority, profile page, list down all your services, manage your customers, charge higher prices, add customer reviews, run entire marketplace on your own domain, connect your payment method, and automatic Google indexing of your marketplace. Okay. OTO number 4 for $67 is the reseller. And so basically you get to resell AI Puzzles and all of the upgrades here, and you get to keep 100% of the commissions. AI Puzzles Done For You Traffic is OTO number 5 for $37. All-in-one marketing suite, automated social media sharing, full analytics, and outsourcers license. Okay, OTO number 6 is the AI Puzzles Done For You Profit for $37. And so here you get 50 Done For You products to sell. Okay, AI Puzzles White Label is the OTO number 7 for $97. And so the white label, you get to take AI Puzzles and you get to rebrand it, to your own name, your own logo, and it becomes basically yours. OTO number 8 for $27 is Done For You Campaigns. So you get 100% MML in cloud-based platform, send unlimited voice, email, and voice campaigns, and build sending domain plus SMTP and dedicated API. 99.4 open rate to the inboxes. You can play voices and videos right inside the email. 100 plus Done For You, beautiful looking email templates for huge ROI. Turn your autoresponder into a video autoresponder. Pay once and get profit forever without any restrictions. Inbuilt campaign automation feature and commercial license is included. Okay, and so things to remember, and these are basically the features of AI Puzzles. But the one thing in here to take a look at is this $200 refund if this does not work for you. Okay, so certainly no win and possibly, certainly a no lose and possibly a win no matter which way you go when it comes to that. 100% money back guarantee. And the demo that we just watched is also here on my bonus page. So if you need to bookmark this page and come back to it, it's here for you. And at any time, of course, go ahead and click any of the red banners on my bonus page to go ahead and access your copy of AI Puzzles today. The price will go up after the launch period. Now, I do have some bonuses for you when you pick up AI Puzzles through any of my red banners here or links on my bonus page here today. To start off with, bonus number 1 is artificial intelligence and digital marketing. My wealth of information about AI. And bonus number 2, affiliate advantage. All right. And so you'll learn how to go from beginner to super affiliate. Bonus number 3 is email copy secrets. So here you'll learn how to write killer emails that get results. Bonus number 4 is sales copy secrets. And here you'll learn how to write compelling sales letters that converts. Okay. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that AI Puzzle is giving to you. And you will see those when you click on any of the red banners on my bonus page here. And that will take you over to the sales page where you'll see the vendor bonuses as well as your purchase link, your purchase button. You'll click on to go ahead and get your copy today. Now, this is sold on the Warrior Plus platform. If you haven't purchased through that before, once you click on any of the red banners, you'll go over to the sales page. And once you click the purchase link, you'll go to your secure checkout, and which will land you on your Warrior Plus purchase details page. And here there are 2 things to look for. One is the green access your purchase button, where you'll get your access to AI Puzzles. And 2 is the blue button that says access your affiliate bonuses. And that's what you will click on to get the bonuses that I just showed you that I'm giving you today when you purchase through any of my banners on this page here. All right, well, that is it. I hope this was very helpful. It seems to be a fantastic product. It's the best that I've seen of this type to date. So go ahead and jump on it if you have an interest in it. And hopefully the information that I gave you was helpful for you to go ahead and make that decision right now. So again, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, to your success.